Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Another style is here. Let's learn together. Alright, so what is on my hand is baskets ashoke fabric. Yes, the basket type. Alright, so you can use your discretion or the measurement is just 70-30. One handle is longer than the other side a little bit. So placing it on my head this way, I took it to the back and crossed it and brought everything to the front. If you like, you can pleat the front. If you don't mind, you can go on like this. I didn't pleat the front. Alright, so twisting both handle now. Pay attention to what I'm going to do now. I twisted both handle, then raise it up. You see that longer side, the 70 side is what I used to cross the 30 side. You see that longer part did not go to the other side. I used it to cross that shorter part, then twisted it and tuck it in, bring it out again, then took it to the back and pin it. Watch closely. If you don't mind, you can tuck it in. But if the base is too hard for you to tuck it in, you can use your office pin and pin it. That is exactly what I did here. So I twisted it, took it to the back, then I pick up my office pin and pin it. Now I have secured the base of the head wrap. So going to the front now, we're going to arrange this one, and after that our head wrap is ready. It's very easy, very simple, doesn't take your time. Alright, so stretch it out. Pay attention to what I'm going to do here now. So this edge now, I brought it down and pin it on top that part that I twisted. I used the office pin to pin it down there. Alright, now this part now, wash. I brought it down from the middle. The edge is still there, so I drag it down from the middle because after I want that edge to be pointing. So I drag it down from the middle, pick up the office pin and pin it down. Alright, I'm done pinning, done tying, just to arrange it. You see the edge now is pointing up. That is why I did not drag it from the edge. So push your head round a little bit back. We are good to go, good to go. So that is what the back look like, the side, the front. If you don't mind, you can place your hair accessory. Alright, so that is what it looks like, but please don't go away. I have another style to show you with this base. You can style so many style with it using the same base. Alright, so removing the pins from the edges now, remove this other one that we pin from the middle. Then I'm going to fold the two edges down now. Okay, so you see these edges now, I brought it down and pin it on that part that I twisted. This other side too, I'm going to bring it down. Watch closely, bring it down and pin it on that part too that I twisted. I am done tying. This is second style. So what is left now is for you to arrange it and you get a kind of ruffle on top of your head wrap. You're good to go, you're good to go. Alright, so if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igile Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. You can see it. Please do well to drop your like, your comments on the comment section. Please, if there is any question you want to ask me, please concerning head wrap, drop it on your comments on the comment section. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe as well so that we can learn together. And those of you who has been here, I hope you are learning. So see you in my next video.